This book is called Vastu Shilpa Kosha. That one. And then it is written by a project of Bharatiya Samskriti Sarvasva Kosha. Kalpataru Research Academy publication. Chief editor is Daivajna K.N. Somayaji. The eminent authority on Vedic mantras, rituals, agama, and all kind of things connected to the Vedas. Authority, Daivajna K.N. Somayaji. And connected to the Shankar Mutt in Sharda Sringeri Peeta. So, the book is written by S.K. Ramachandra Rao, professor and great Pandit and scholar. Not much known, but a titan of Sanskrit and various topics. Very well educated person. S.K. Ramachandra Rao. And then chief editor is Daivajna K.N. Somayaji. Project of Bharatiya Samskriti Sarvasva Kosha. And the title is Vastu Shilpa Kosha, and it is published by Kalpataru Research Academy, Sringeri Sharda Peetam. You can get this book at Shankar Mutt in Shankarpuram in Bangalore, or you can write to them. Email kalpataru. This is an authoritative book on the Indian, our traditional Hindu approach to, Hindu means Dharmic civilization, approach to building and all that. Vastu Shilpa Kosha. So little bit small portions relevant to gardening and all I will be covering over the next period of time because I am reading this book. Then this introduction, temple culture of India is unique and important, intimately interwoven with the life of people both as individuals and societies. Temple, especially in villages and small towns, economic, social, cultural, educational institutions. Lot of economic activity happens, flower sellers, and they have their annual events, and lot of things happen there, economic stuff. And then social also, people gather, and cultural dances and music, since our Indian gods like music and dance. Then education, great respect is there for education. All those are connected to the temple organization traditionally since time immemorial. So, about temple culture is based on three details. The agama tradition is used for all the details, that is the building, types of building, worship of deities, tradition, how to plan, extending, maintaining, sculptural tradition. It's an enormous body of literature pertaining to this buildings and all. So that is the introduction, and then what is the agama, the whole thing is there. People who are very serious about all this can go through this in detail. I will be concentrating mainly on some topics that I feel may be interesting to gardeners. So in this one I found interesting. Where is it? Additional notes on Vastu. So everything has to be done according to Vastu for an Indian house and all that. So word Vastu literally means residence. And the rules pertaining to selection, designing of buildings, Vastu Shastra, all that is covered in this book. I think this video already became quite long, so I'll do a second video on this soon. Selection of sites, what all you're supposed to do, everything is there in this section, that is additional notes on Vastu. General rules. So, what type of building is best, then how to select the site. All those things are covered in this book also. It's very interesting, and it's a topic for another book, another video. So this is the book. Those who are interested can contact this. All the addresses are all I showed in the beginning itself here. So Kalpataru, that email you can write down and contact if you want to buy the book.